Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In case you're new here, my name is Maren.
And I'm Maureen. And today, as you've noticed, we're in the streets of Nairobi, and we're going to be asking Nairobians and Kenyans why Jamaica is the most loved and popular country in Africa.
Yeah, as you've noticed, if you ask any Africa about the Caribbean, the most mentioned country is Jamaica. Today we want to find out why, and why don't they know the other countries in the Caribbean.
Yeah, so come with us, let's go find out.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good.
What's your name?
My name is Peter. Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, but first of all, do you know the country Jamaica?
Yes, I know of Jamaica.
What do you love the most about Jamaica?
First of all, I may say what I love most about Jamaicans is their music, because their music is one of the genres us Kenyans we do listen, and they're one of the oldest genres Kenyans do listen so far. And the other thing I may say I love about Jamaicans is their dancers. They have got the very, very good dancers. I don't know if you get to see the Jamaican music videos.
Yeah.
You see the dancers, how they are twerking. You know,
You love that?
Yeah, we love Nyash. Yeah, for men. That's for men.
What's your name?
Zablon,
Zablon.
or you can call me Big Man himself.
Okay. So today we're asking Kenyans, do you know the country Jamaica?
Yeah, I know Jamaica. Yeah,
What do you know them for, or what have you heard about them?
I love them because of their music, their content, their dancehall music. I just love them. They are so dope.
Is
Yeah.
there any Jamaican artist you're following right now?
Let's say Conscious. Who is mgani mwingine? Conscience sana.
What's your name?
My name is Timothy.
Timothy.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we're asking Kenyans, first of all, do you know the country Jamaica?
Yeah, I know Jamaica.
What do you love about Jamaica?
First, I think I like Jamaica, but I like the music, like the reggae music, rhythms, the musicians, the likes of Conscience, Vibes Cartel. Yeah, I like the music.
What's your name?
I'm Oli B.
Who?
Finest Oli B.
Finest Holy B.
Yeah, what about you?
My name is Maren. Yeah, nice to meet you too. So today we are asking Kenyans, do you know the country Jamaica?
Yeah, I do know.
How do you know Jamaica, or what have you heard about Jamaica?
About Jamaica, their songs, reggae vibe.
Do you know where Jamaica is located?
Jamaica. Yes,
Where?
outside Africa.
Outside where? Just somewhere outside Africa.
Somewhere outside Africa.
Okay. So it's located in the Caribbean. Have you ever heard about Caribbean?
Yeah, Caribbean. Yeah, I know.
Okay. And do you know other countries in the Caribbean?
I don't think so.
Do you know where Jamaica is located?
Yes, in the Caribbean countries. In the Caribbean, sorry.
Okay.
Yep.
And do you know any other countries in the Caribbean other than Jamaica?
Yeah, I know of some countries in the Caribbean, and apart from Jamaica, I may say Dominican Republic. I don't know if I'm right.
Yeah.
The other one is Barbados. Is Haiti a country?
Yeah.
One of them. Then Haiti, it may be. The last one may say. I only know of those.
Okay, you've tried. There are people who don't know that much.
Yeah.
So between these countries you've mentioned, let me just pick one. Do you know anything about Dominican Republic?
Since I don't know much about Dominican Republic, since the media doesn't portray anything to do with with their country. Also, I may say that there are people who don't know how to market their own country. Like let's say Jamaica. Jamaica, there are content creators from Jamaica who display their country in a good way in the content side. But for the Dominican, I have no idea.
Okay, and do you know where Jamaica is located?
Yeah, I think in the Caribbean islands, something like that.
Do you know any other country in the Caribbean?
Trinidad.
Okay.
I don't know many countries in the Caribbean, but just Jamaica. Jamaica is the most famous one.
Oh, and how did you come to hear about the Trinidad and Tobago?
No, like those times in school, I did geography, so I must be
Okay. Do you know where Jamaica is located?
Located, I think it's which continent? Asking about continent. I'm not that sure.
Have you ever heard of or you want to try? You want to guess first?
No.
Okay, have you ever heard about a place called the Caribbean?
Caribbean.
Yeah.
No.
Okay, so Jamaica is located in Caribbean, and there are other islands that are also located there. Today we are asking Kenyans, why do you think Jamaica is the most loved or the most popular country in Africa?
Okay, the reason why Jamaica is the most popular and the most loved in Africa is because of their music. That's the first thing, yeah. If you know the genre reggae, the reggae genre is being listened much in Africa, whereby okay, for Africans we do believe Jamaicans. Africa is their motherland, so that's why we listen to that genre of music. And the reason why the music is what makes Jamaica popular in Africa is because of the music portrays what's happening in real life, and it also portrays Jamaican culture. And there is this thing with weed, whereby weed in Africa is not legalized, but in Jamaica it's legalized. So most of Africans, those who use weed, they wanna go experience
That lifestyle in
the
Jamaica.
lifestyle of using weed without any being
Consequences.
yeah.
So why do you think Jamaica is the most popular or the most loved country here in Africa compared to other countries in the Caribbean?
Okay, I think Jamaica they're popular because I think they associate with Africans. Like Africans feel like they're part of Africa because most of them are Africans and they come to Africa most of the times. The music is popular in Africa, and so I think that one is the reason why they're the most famous in Africa.
Okay, have you heard of Trinidad and Tobago, Haiti, Dominican Republic?
I just hear them, but I have never experienced anything or search for them, all that, yeah.
What do you think they can do different so that they can get to be known like Jamaica?
I think they need to come to their culture and show us more. They can come on do music or football and all that. Maybe we can know them, yeah, for that.
Okay, so is Jamaica a country to consider visiting should the opportunity present itself?
Even if it isn't an opportunity, I just travel and visit Jamaica. It's one of the best countries I want to visit so far this year, God willing.
Okay, what would you look forward to seeing or experiencing when you get there?
First of all, their beach. There's this beach called Montenegro. I don't know if I'm right. I just want to go experience their beach. You know, in Kenya, yes, we do have beaches in Mombasa, but I do want to go to Jamaica, experience
different vibe.
Yes, you have some different vibes. The other thing is I just want to go experience and see some of the artists performing live. I always see them on music videos, on TVs, on smartphones, but I want to see them face to face if possible, if I ever get the chance. The other thing is just to explore their culture mostly, maybe their street foods, because I've heard of some street foods from Jamaica. Yeah, that's what I want to experience so far from Jamaica.
And if you are presented with an opportunity to date or marry a Jamaican lady, would you take it?
Yeah, that's kind of tricky though. It will okay. I might take the opportunity, but she has to be someone who doesn't use weed. Yeah.
Okay, but which brings me from what you've said. What do you think about Jamaican women?
Yeah,
Or what is your impression of them?
For many, what we look on ladies. So far, it's
They're okay.
they are okay. I don't know if I'm allowed to say this, but they are nyash. That's for men. Every man loves nyash. There's no one who doesn't love nyash. Jamaican women are pretty. They're beautiful, as well as Kenyan women. I have to praise my own. Yeah, but given a chance to marry or date, I will.
Sir, thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate it.
Amazing. Thank you so much for hosting me.
Is Jamaica a country to consider visiting if the opportunity presented itself?
Yeah,
What would you look forward to seeing when you get to Jamaica?
personally I think I'll love to see like the culture, how they behave, like maybe have some cool vibes with them, maybe hang out with them, their music, their culture, their food, just basically hang out with them.
All right. And are you familiar with Jamaican ladies or have you seen them anywhere?
No, apart from the musicians, I'm not familiar with any Jamaican lady currently. Yeah.
Okay, so let's say the ones you see on TV. What do you think about Jamaican women?
Jamaican women, I don't have anything to say about them, but I think they like partying. They like music. So from the way I see from their music videos, they like dancing and doing those stuff. So I think they are, I can say, party animals. They like partying, yeah.
And given an opportunity to marry a Jamaican woman, would you consider?
Me, no.
Why?
I don't think because basically I've not had any maybe relationship with them, or so I don't. But maybe I don't think if I consider marrying a Jamaican lady because just I don't just feel like
You'd get along.
I want to get along with them, yeah.
All right, so thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate.
Thank you.
If you are given an opportunity right now to visit Jamaica, is it something you'd consider?
Yeah, I will consider 100% because I'm a dancer, and Jamaican, they have a lot of dancers. Dancehall music, I love just dancehall music and all that. Yeah.
What would you like to experience or see when you get to Jamaica?
I just want to experience their pool parties, their streets. I just love everything about Jamaica. I want to come to Jamaica.
Oh, that's nice. And if you got a chance to date or marry a Jamaican lady, would you take it?
100%.
What do you love about Jamaican ladies?
Because the way they talk, you girl, I love me, say, I love you, baby.
So you want to experience that?
I want to experience when we argue, she will come and, I don't like that, Vitka is, or, something like that.
Okay, so another question. So thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much for your time, guys. I enjoy being, subscribe, guys, subscribe. Follow Zablon Flema.
All right.
And Flema's Dance Kenya. Thank you.
If you were given a chance to visit Jamaica, would you take it?
Yeah, definitely.
What would you look forward to seeing when you get there or experiencing?
First of all, I want to see that farm.
The weed farm.
Yeah, the marijuana farm. Visit the states, their way of maybe government issues, their culture, their way of dressing, codes, how they sell their products, their dealers. Yeah.
Okay, so
Their vibe, how they talk.
there are other islands in the Caribbean. One is called Trinidad and Tobago. I'll just mention a few. Have you ever heard about Haiti?
Haiti, I've heard have you heard about photogrammetry and remote sensing?
No.
I think I've heard in that sector.
Okay. So there's also Haiti. And have you heard of Dominican Republic?
Dominican, yeah.
Yeah, it's also located there.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So one question I want to ask you though, why do you think Jamaica is the only recognized island in the whole world? Specifically, let's talk of Africa. Why do you think Africans only know about Jamaica and not the other smaller islands?
Because Jamaica is much popular because of their export products. Yeah, the weed, it's legal there. So if in Kenya they are illegal because maybe they think if you use them you go mad, you'll misbehave. But how do they handle? I want to know that. Yeah, maybe.
Okay, so you think Jamaica? Okay, so you think Jamaica is famous for their exports?
Yeah, their exports and their reggae vibe songs.
Okay, and what do you think these other countries should do for them to be able to be known like Jamaica?
Okay, they just focus on what they have. Maybe their culture, maybe their products, maybe they focus just in themselves.
And marketing.
Yeah, marketing.
Okay, so thank you so much for your time.